What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. Wanted to talk about the downward price action and how that can relate to actually more increased gains for you on these Bitcoin swing trades. So I'm going to dive into that, show you guys on the screen here how these lower levels are giving us better opportunities on these swing type trades. So let's dive into this.
Trade Genius.
All right, guys, so just a clean chart here. If you noticed, this is a level back in October, 63.97, and basically this range of this move here is 4.4%, right? So just keep in mind, right, that when these ranges are still here, okay, they're still swingable, tradable ranges, but now when you move that down to something like this level here, which we've already exceeded, that jumps to 8.10% of a move. So even though the price of Bitcoin has come down, these levels are giving us better swing trading returns on that. So it's a little bit of math to consider when we're dealing with these types of levels. So just wanted to point that out, and also that we've had a pretty large down move here on the, as far as the week goes, right? This has been a big down move. So if we look at that, we've had a big weekly red bar, and it's worthy to point out, minus basically 33.8, almost 34% down on this weekly bar. That's a big percentage gain, and you have to go back quite a ways to see something similar. So usually when you get a big weekly bar down like that, the opportunity there for a big bounce is good. We had back in December of 2016, we had a big weekly bar down 51%. Notice the big move back up though. That from the bottom to the top of that was 136% move up. So just be on that lookout. There, a lot of times these big bounces will come out of nowhere, and when you have, be aware, when you have a big weekly bar down, it's not necessarily the time to hop on a bunch of shorts. You got to be a little bit careful because things are currently oversold. If it consolidates after that, yeah, short entry might be a little safer. So just some food for thought. And guys, if you want to join us in the room as we call out these entries, head over to tradelikeagenius.com. We've got our specials running till Cyber Monday. Lowest prices of the year here, guys. Take advantage of it. If you want to give a gift, we have buy one, get ones too. But I think you'll find a really good value there. It doesn't matter if you're into binary options, swing trading, long-term position trading. We'll cover it all types of entries, and we're talking about it every single day in the chat room. So encourage you guys to check that out. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Just some food for thought and some perspective, even though it's very bearish out there in crypto land. The opportunities are there, guys. Last week we were up 7% on our Bitcoin trade. So plenty of opportunity to keep making money in this market, up or down. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.